AI forecast configuration. Model selection. Time series forecasting models. Given the focus on historical production data, time series models like ARIMA, SARIMA, Profit, or LSTMs are strong candidates. These models excel at identifying patterns and trends in past data to predict future values. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AIDNN architect. Regression models. If you have additional explanatory variables beyond historical production data, example economic indicators, marketing campaigns, regression models like linear regression, random forests, or gradient boosting might be suitable. These models can capture relationships between multiple variables to improve forecast accuracy. External data integration. Data pre-processing. Ensure the external data is clean, consistent, and aligned with your chosen model's requirements. This may involve handling missing values, outliers, and data format conversions. Feature engineering. If using regression models, create new features from existing data, example rolling averages, seasonality indicators, to capture relevant information for prediction. Hyperparameter tuning. Experiment with different parameter settings for your chosen model to optimize its performance on your production data. Tools like cross-validation and grid search can help automate this process. Evaluation. Use appropriate metrics like mean squared error, MSE, mean absolute error, MAE, or MAPE to assess the accuracy of your forecasts on unseen data. Compare different models and parameter settings to select the best combination. 2 DSS integration. Data transfer. Explore options for connecting your external data source directly to your DSS platform, if supported. APIs and data connectors can facilitate this. Alternatively, extract the data regularly and store it in a format accessible to your DSS, example CSV, database. Visualization. Utilize your DSS platform's visualization tools to create informative charts and graphs displaying the generated forecasts. Consider line charts for trends, bar charts for comparisons, and heat maps for multidimensional insights. Focus on visualizations that align with your production planning needs, such as demand forecasts by product, location, or time period. Alerts and dashboards. If your DSS supports it, set up alerts for significant forecast deviations or potential production issues. Design dashboards that integrate live data, forecasts, and key performance indicators, KPIs, for comprehensive production planning monitoring. Thanks.